The TurboAnt X7 Pro electric scooter is a top-of-the-line transportation option for those looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to get around. With a powerful 350W motor, riders can easily reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for commuting to work or running errands around town. The balanced throttle response ensures a smooth ride, while the quick acceleration capability of the motor provides a thrilling experience for riders. One of the standout features of the TurboAnt X7 Pro is its triple braking system. The responsive rear disc brake, front electronic brake, and auxiliary foot brake mechanism work together to provide a short braking distance of just 16.4 feet, giving riders the confidence to navigate busy city streets safely. The taillight blinks in red when braking to alert people nearby, providing an extra layer of safety. In addition, the scooter is equipped with a 3W LED headlight that illuminates the path ahead, providing increased visibility and helping riders detect potential hazards on the road. Overall, the TurboAnt X7 Pro electric scooter is a powerful and reliable option for anyone looking to travel quickly and efficiently while reducing their carbon footprint.